Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting the default caller ID in spam to either none, phone, vibrator, or maybe other sections as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings window. So just scroll up on the home screen and select the settings button. And you want to now select the apps button on this page. You want to now go underneath where it says default apps under general. And it should say caller ID and spam app. Go ahead and select that. So then if you have a different caller ID and spam application, you can select it here. If you have a phone app, for example, you can select that. If you want to just turn off caller ID in the spam app, you can select none. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.